Welcome to Lance. My name is Gary Conley. I'm National Sales Manager for Lance Camper Manufacturing. Right now I'm standing in the doorway to the bedroom of our new 2445. This is a fully featured trailer that can sleep up to 8 people. That's really unique for most trailers, especially with a trailer that's only 24 feet long in terms of its box length. What this has now is that we have a separate full master bedroom in the front with a walk-in closet, bed storage underneath, fully opening window to the front as well, which gives you really nice ventilation. If you step into the back here, you're going to see 12-volt TVs, optional fireplaces that actually put out 5100 BTUs to heat the unit, nice pull-out pantries that are incorporated inside of the unit now, and a really nice galley that's really nice, big, and open for all your pots and pans and food items. Additionally, we're going to have our traditional U-shaped dinette, which is going to be 54 inches by 74 inches. So again, not quite a queen, but bigger than a full. Nice feature about Lance is that we also have pull-out drawers, which allow you to basically not get down on your hands and knees or have somebody move if you have kids or something in the dinette, or for that matter, myself or whoever. So when you pull out the drawers, it allows for full access of items that could be stored in there, such as pots, pans, canned goods, cases of water, and whatnot. There's also some nice features that are inside of our trailer that we incorporate, which are all LED lighting, as well as there's dimmer switches that allow you to adjust the lighting. Additionally, on this system here, we have our full in-command system by ASA, which is also available on the new 2445 product, and we have a big 6-foot cubic refrigerator that's inside of the slide room. Now, one of the key features of an RV that's really important to people is basically bathroom space. With this bathroom, we put in a really big shower. It's the biggest shower we've actually incorporated in any product that we build, so it's quite amazing. We've also moved the toilet to the side, which allows you to basically walk through, change your clothes where you're not stepping over a toilet, and gives you a nice area. Additionally, this is our only model where we've incorporated 2 full bunks. Now, you have a fixed upper bunk at the present time, and we have a lower bunk that's below. The nice thing about the lower bunk is that it actually folds up, and now it allows for storage from the rear. This would allow you to put bikes, barbecues, potentially kayaks, paddle boards, and things like that that can actually slide inside of the unit. So that way everything can be locked up and it's stowed out of the way. As we stand outside here looking at our new 2020 Lance travel trailers, and specifically our 2445 model, you'll notice our new standard graphics, which are on the coach. As I mentioned before, we also have a second optional graphic, which is a mountain graphic, which is available as well. So on this particular model, you can see here that we have our fully featured movable Bluetooth stereo speaker. And what's nice about this is that as you walk back on this model here, you're going to see we have a storage area, which is right down here. Now, one thing else that's going to be available on this really nice trailer is you can actually add an outside kitchen. So this will allow you to have a sink, a countertop, as well as a 2-burner stove that can basically be optioned into this compartment right here. Again, a lot of the features on this would also include your battery storage compartment, your front pull-out tray, portable 4-foot lifetime table, which is available inside of this unit as well. But one of the key features on all Lance products is on the roof we have a storage rack system. So if you see those 2 bars that are up on the top there, what this allows you to do is to attach any type of a storage compartment, put your kayaks, surfboards, canoes, anything else up on the roof. So as your activity changes, it allows you to not have to mount additional holes into the roof. Anything that's made by Thule or Yakima can actually be attached onto those bars across the top of that. Now, that is an option on all of our travel trailers. It is not specific to the 2445. However, one feature that is specific to the 2445 is at the rear of the trailer. Okay, if we stand on the roadside of our new 2445, a couple things that are important to RVing, and one of those features is holding tank capacities. This particular trailer has a 45-gallon freshwater tank, 51 if you include the water heater. It also has a 45-gallon black tank, but uniquely, it has a 90-gallon gray water tank. Now, those are 2 45-gallon tanks. Now, something to consider whether you're a first-time buyer or you've had an RV for a long time is the plumbing actually drains out of one cap. So the two 45-gallon tanks actually come into one outlet right in the center over here. So that's really something that is unique to this travel trailer, and it's unique to Lance product. Storage is abundant on this travel trailer. You'll notice that anywhere where we can give you storage, we attempt to provide it for you. So on this travel trailer, you have really nice storage on the back here, and then underneath our dinettes, you're gonna have, this is 6.5 feet long, so 78 inches, that allows you to basically store chairs and other items potentially in this area. Lance is one of the only travel trailers that has storage of this size in a small, lightweight travel trailer. Now remember, this trailer has a box length of 24 feet and it's going to weigh somewhere in the mid 5,000 pound range.